Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how I install these tape-ins. Okay, it looks so nice and blended and flat. So if you guys want to see how I do it, keep on watching. I will have everything linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, as well as my discount code so you guys can save on your next order. Yeah, I haven't gotten a washing set in a minute and my hair has gotten pretty long since then, but if you guys want to see what I use to maintain my hair and to keep it healthy, let me know down below so I can do a video on that. But this is how my natural hair looks like. So the good thing about Yilite Hair is that they'll add accessories included with the hair. So it comes with a hair grip, extra tapes, and a little bag to put your hair in. So they sent me 2 packs. These are the 2 packs right here. And then of course, extra tape. This is how it comes in. It comes with the tape on already. I got 20 inches of black tape-ins. 1 pack brings 4 pieces. It's pretty long, I'm not gonna lie. So I just parted my hair and I'm about to put the tape-in on. So when it comes to installing tape-in extensions, I always recommend using your finger as a guide so that you're not placing it directly onto your scalp. This is why the Velcro is essential when it comes to this, because it helps to keep your hair in place. One thing I recommend is measuring the tape-in before actually taking out the paper and then installing it, because you want to make sure you're placing it in the right spot and it's not going to overlap. Once you placed it in the right spot, make sure you press it in so that it stays secured. Don't stress yourself out if it doesn't come out perfect. As long as there's enough hair to cover the extension and it's placed in the right spot, that's all that matters. Okay, so this is the part where you have to sandwich the hair in order for it to, you know, stay secured. But make sure when it comes to this part, you got to make sure that it's aligned. So use your finger, that way you know where to place the tape. Always comb out your hair so that there isn't any hair strands getting caught up in between when you sandwich it. This is actually a good distance, so when you apply it, make sure you have enough space like that. Okay, so this is how it's looking like from the front. It's blending out really well. Okay, so now we can focus on the front, which is so much easier and better to see. But I'm just gonna part my hair and then, you know, apply the tape. When I tell y'all the hair is so freaking soft, like this hair is actually really soft. Really soft. But I just parted my hair, so I'm gonna put this one on first, and then the other one is gonna go right here and then on top of this one at the end, because it's actually really long. I think the best part about these tape-ins is that it's long, so it's not like the other ones where it's separate and it takes a little bit longer to install. You have to be really careful because the tape is super sticky, and then once it's already on the hair, it's gonna be hard to take out. So be mindful of that. Once you have the tape in place where you want it, you want to make sure you press it in so that it's nice and secured. Also, another thing you want to make sure of is that when you place it, you want to make sure you stretch it out so that it's nice and flat and there's no wrinkles. But as you can see, it's not directly onto my scalp. You want to make sure there's space and, you know, you're able to lift it. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to place it like somewhere right here and then go around. Yeah, look how nice and flat that looks. That looks good. And I'm not even a hairstylist, but that looks good. Nice and secured. That was all 4 of the first packet, but I have another one right here. So far, so good. It's looking real cute. My hair is sticking up and all. As you can see, it's not that close to my edges. I'm gonna open up the next pack. Okay, so I didn't want to do it at first, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it so that it could fit on this side, and the same thing on this side. I'm gonna cut it in half so that it could fit properly. So now when I place it, it's going to fit perfectly right there. Once it's placed in the right spot, just press it lightly and then comb it out. Let's just talk about the curl pattern though. This nice little wave, it's cute. It's giving like wavy, crimped hair. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing over here. I put this one right here, right? So I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna take my Velcro, place it right there. You measure it with the paper first before you place it down, so you know for sure that it's gonna fit. That's what I like to do. Cause once that tape is on your hair and it's not placed in the right spot, it's gonna hurt to take it off, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna cut another piece because I want to put another one, well, 2 more right here, so it could look fuller. So I was thinking about putting it diagonally. So the next one, I want to put it like right over here, and then do the same thing on this side so that it evens out. Okay, I know I said this like twice already, but this hair is like really freaking soft. Like, wow. When I touch this part right here, it is so soft and buttery. Like, it's just so soft and smooth. Like, I love hair that is so soft and smooth. Yes. Ugh, I love it. I love it. I'm gonna part my hair. I might put another piece like in the back area, just so it looks more full. I'm gonna place it right here so that it looks a little more fuller on the top. As you can see, you can't even tell where the extensions is at. It's so flat. I actually really liked the curl pattern, but I wanted it to blend out better since my hair was straight. So I straightened it at the top and then curled it on the ends. Wow. Just wow. This looks really good. Y'all see how well this is blended? So I put another one in the back because I felt like it needed it, but I have one piece left. I don't know where to put it. I'm gonna style my hair now. I'm gonna curl it. This is how it looks like from the front. By the way, the color that I got is natural black, but they have other colors too. Normally when I want the curl to last, I just use my flexi rods or I use my clips, and I put it on every night before I go to bed so that it can last, you know, more days, and it be lasting. It really do. And I put the curling iron on the lowest setting so that, you know, it doesn't overheat the hair. Yeah, that's cute. This is 20 inches and it's pretty long, as you can see. Yes. When I tell you guys, this hair is so soft. It doesn't even feel like I have extensions on. Like, that's how lightweight it feels. I ended up flat ironing my hair so it could blend out better. Y'all see how nice and shiny that looks? I don't have to put anything. I love it. And that is how you install tapeins. So I hope this was helpful for anyone that is a beginner or has been struggling. I really appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.